The following video is a TRAK DPMV5 CNC vertical milling machine. Blair is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
Right now the machine's already on. I have it set up in DRO mode, so we'll just show the controls all working in DRO. The hand jog. Same thing with the X. Y. Now I'll go into the jog mode for the control. We're set at presently, well, that's a little faster than I want. It comes on at 250. I'd like to slow it down a little bit. We'll go Z first, the Z axis. Nice and smooth. Now we'll do our X. Now our Y. And now we'll run our spindle. Currently at 1,000 RPMs. There's about 1,350. 1,500 RPMs. Back to 1,000. There's 500. We'll go back up to 1,000. Back at 1,000.
Again, the preceding video is a TRAK DPMV5 CNC vertical milling machine.